one's called L1 set alarm. Write a function named setAlarm which receives two parameters. The first parameter, employed, is true whenever you are employed, and the second parameter, vacation, is true whenever you are on vacation. The function should return true if you are employed and not on vacation, because these are the circumstances under which you need to set an alarm. It should return false otherwise. So check the examples below. They've got the various combinations. If you are employed and you are on vacation, you can set it false because the vacation covers your employment. If you're not employed and on vacation, there's no need for an alarm. If you're not employed and not on vacation, you still don't need an alarm because presumably you don't have anything to wake up for. And then finally, if you are employed and not on vacation, you better have that alarm clock set. So I think you're more than prepared to do this one if you've been following along. We've worked with Booleans before, so go ahead and knock this one out. I'll do a quick solution and that'll really be all there is to say about this challenge. So while you're doing yours, I'm going to change this parameter name so it reads a little bit better in my opinion. And then you can simply return the values, the one combination where you need an alarm. So return that you are employed, and then remember the double ampersand for the logical and there. So we're requiring that both conditions are met. So if we are employed and not on vacation, and maybe you'll appreciate why I put the on in there, just it reads really nicely, doesn't it? Employed and not on vacation. So yeah, that should do it. Let's go ahead and test. Looks good, yeah. Simple Boolean stuff. This would have been nice earlier in the series, but here we are. Hopefully you got that one. If you do happen to have any questions, feel free to write them below. Otherwise, we'll keep moving. Thanks for watching.